Hello, smart cuties. Welcome to the Smart Learning. Learning the Game. Standard 9 English Samachi book. What is the outcome of this lesson? Students of today's world have to have inspirations. Inspirations not just from an ordinary person, rather from a person who has excelled in any area of life, who overfought the challenges, passion, who made the dreams into realities. We have so many examples of such. Today, one of such examples is the famous legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. He was born in the year 1973 at Bombay in Maharashtra to a father named Ramesh Tendulkar, and his full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He had lot of inspirations and teachings and guidelines, especially from the father, who once said that never worry about the results, rather focus on the goal, focus on the performances. Performances, if you focus, that will lead you to a greater result. If you worry for the results, if you worry only on the results, the performances will be growing weaker and weaker. And that was the great lesson that he had learned from his very own father. I'm sorry for the bad throat. And next, we learn that he had a brother and sister, of whom about brother we have a lot of information in this lesson. Ajit Tendulkar, he is the person and first person to inspire Sachin Tendulkar. And he used to give all the tricks and tactics and nuances of how to play cricket. As a result, Sachin was inspired by many legendary players of his time, such as Viv Richards from West Indies, Sunil Gavaskar from India. He was seeing many other players and he started emulating, he started inculcating, he started imbibing the qualities, the mannerism that they followed while playing cricket. He started to enact just like them while playing cricket. And at what age did Sachin play cricket? He started playing cricket by the age of 11. Possibly he must have begun much before that. He started playing cricket somewhat to his senses, along with the colony mates of his neighbors and so on. And as a result, he was taken off to play well in cricket. His brother is accompanying him to join him to a new school. He joins the new school where the legendary famous cricketer Ramkant Acharekar sir. It is he who gives training in that new school. Therefore, Sachin was asked to change from his old school to new school because of the training that has to be undergone under the guidance and coach of Sir Acharekar. Initially, Acharekar denied Sachin Tendulkar to give him training because of the age and stature and so on. Later on, he had the opportunity to observe him indirectly and his performances were very much taken up. Therefore, he gives him a chance and starts giving him the coach to play cricket. That's how he starts playing and takes a rigorous training right from 7:30 a.m. in the morning until 7 p.m. He used to take all sorts of practices, and he used to travel for about 40 minutes to go and 40 minutes to come back by bus. And while going by the bus, the conductor used to embarrass for having the toolkit which covers another place or a kind of a seat in the bus where another man can sit. And Sachin was also avoided by the people or the passengers because of the smell of the cloth that he was wearing. And most especially, he used to wash one pair of the cloth, which he had only one, two times, two times a day. Morning he used to wear and then wash in the afternoon. He used to dry and then wear it for the evening session. Again, in the evening you would wash and wear it in the morning. Most of the times, the pocket places in the cloth was always wet. Sachin had not enough money to have his snacks and so on, but his father would sometimes cater the needs, forgetting the need of the other brother and sister in the family, which shows that his father had such a lot of love and he appreciated the passion that he had. Especially, Sachin was boosted by that act of his father. And next thing that we learn about Sachin Tendulkar is he is a person who gave 100% for practice sessions, who completely focused on his passion. He wanted to be the cricketer, therefore he started playing, and then today we see him as the legendary person now. And finally he made his debut in 1989 against the Pakistan, where he has also a record in the first match itself. He started playing one day internationals, test cricket matches, 2020 and other Ranji crickets as well. Sachin had claimed lot of cheers and lot of awards from all these matches. We cannot just tell in few numbers about his achievements and performances. He is widely acclaimed cricketer around the world. And what are the other awards that's been given to Sachin Tendulkar? He is given the prestigious award of India, Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Khel Ratna. Sachin was also selected or nominated as the Member of Parliament to the lower house, Rajya Sabha, and he was also widely acclaimed by all the cricketers, youngsters of today as well. Today, he becomes the person of inspiration, the person who shows that from nothing you can be something, from the minute to a bigger one. There is nothing that a human person cannot do. We can perform and we can become the best if there is a try. Let's keep trying and always focus on the passion. I'm sure by now you would be having the passion recognized in your life, and your passion must set the goal, and that goal must take you always to travel in the right path with complete positivity. Have this in your heart and mind. Grab these inspirations from the legendary persons, not only just Sachin Tendulkar, but there are also many others whom I already told you in the classrooms. Become the best. Sachin was only 10th fail, but the fail is not seen today, rather the success is seen because of the hard work. Wish you good luck and hope to see you as a legendary achiever after few years. Thank you. All the best.